Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, well, welcome back. So, I was this close to film an earthquake, but I didn't. I was getting everything ready to film, and while I was doing that, there was an earthquake. I mean, it wasn't that big, but it was like noticeable because things were moving. I live near the San Andreas fault, so maybe one day when I'm filming, there'll be a huge earthquake because we almost have earthquakes every single day, but they're like really small ones. So sometimes we hardly even feel them. But yeah. Anyways, I haven't been filming a lot because I was sad because my grandpa's brother, my uncle, we call him uncle in Mexico, but he passed away a few days ago, so I was sad and I didn't feel like filming anything. And yeah, but anyways, here I am back and ready to film, and I'm super excited because today I'm going to be using the Avocado palette. I haven't used this yet since I bought it, but I'm super excited because the shades are so pretty. They're very green and blue, and there's like 2 browns or 3, and yeah, but today I'm going to be doing a palette bingo, so hopefully I get a cool look out of this. But before I begin, I wanted to show you the blush that I already hit pan on. Look at it, it's so cool. At first I'm like, is that more blush? But that's already the pan, so that's pretty cool. This is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten that we got in our BoxyCharm. I think it was like a year ago or so, I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm super excited that I finally hit pan. I mean, I hit pan a couple of days ago, and so that's what I'm wearing right now. And for highlighter, I'm wearing the I See You by I Love Revolution. This one right here, it's super pretty and I really like it because it's like a pinky highlighter, as you can see. It's super pretty and it's really pigmented. Okay, so now I'm going to generate the 5 shades that I'm going to get out of this palette. So this palette has 18 shades. So let's generate the first shade. So 6, 13, and 9. 6, 13, and 9. Let's see, what shades did I get? So I got shade number 6, which is this light green shade, and the name is Half. And then I got 13, which is creamy, a really light color type of thing, a really light shade. And then number 9 is Brunch, and it is a shimmer. So that's the first 3 shades that I have to work with. So I got this shade, Half, that's number 6. And then I got 13, which is this one right here. And then number 9 is Brunch, this one right here. Okay, now I'm going to generate 2 more shades. So 12 and 9. Okay, I already got 9, so 16. 12 and 16. So 12 is this shade right here, and 16 is this lime shade up here. So this one is called Stone. This one is Lime. Super pretty shades. So I'm super excited to see what look I will create with this. I got 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. Alright, before I begin, I'm going to apply this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I'm going to apply this off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I already primed my eyeballs. Now I'm going to start with the eye look. I'm super excited. I'm still not sure what type of look I want to create, so hopefully it's a good one. Since I do have to use this creamy shade right here, I'm just going to put it all over my lid, I think. Okay, I think I'm going to be using this Luxie Large Eye Blending Brush that we got in our BoxyCharm. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I am not a professional. I just play with makeup, so yeah. Alright, so I'm going inside of that creamy shade and I'll apply it all over my lid. You could barely see the shade. So pretty much I just set my eyeshadow primer with this creamy shade. Okay, now I'm going into the shade Lime, this one right here. And I'm going to put it like in my inner part of the eye. And these shadows are really powdery. Feels a little sheer on my eyeballs. Okay, I might wet my brush to make the eyeshadow brighter. So with this eyeshadow, you do have to apply a lot of layers to build it up. Once you build it up, it's a really pretty shade and I like it. Now I'm going to be using this brush right here. And this is like a pony hair brush, something like that. And I'm going into the shade Half, like this other green. And I'm going to put it like in the outer corner. It is really pigmented, it's super pretty. So far, I really like this shade. It's super pretty. Now I'm just going to build it up right here in the outer corner just to make it dark enough. Okay, now I'm going back with this brush that I used the lime shade, this one right here, and I'm just going to try to make it brighter right here and try to blend these two shades together. Okay, now with a brush that I used the creamy shade, this one right here, I'm going to grab a little bit and just blend out any hard edges. Okay, I'm going back with that Half green, the one that I used out on the corner. Okay, I'm going back into that lime shade, build it up a little bit. Now with this little brush right here, flat brush, I don't know what they're called, I'm going to apply glitter primer by NYX, this one right here. And I'm going to put it wherever I want to put the shimmers. Okay, now with that same brush, I'm going into the shade Brunch, this one right there, and I'm going to put it on my lid. This is a super pretty shade. Okay, now with the same brush, I'm just going to flip it and I'm going into the shade Stone. And I'm going to put it in the outer. And I'm just gonna go back and forth from the Brunch shimmer and the Stone shimmer. Okay, now I'm going back into that Half shade just a little bit to blend out the Stone shimmer and this green shade together. Now I'm going back into Stone. And I'm just gonna go back and forth until I'm happy with it. Okay, now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side. Okay, now with this Luxie Mini round brush, I'm going to dip into lime yellow green shade and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. So I am going to wet my brush. Okay, now I'm dipping into Brunch, that shimmery shade, and I'm gonna put it on top. It made like a lime green. Okay, so now I'm going to put eyeliner and mascara and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara and lip gloss. For lip gloss, I applied the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Jade. For eyeliner, I used my favorite eyeliner by Miss Hana on the bottom, and on the top I used a tattoo liner by Kat Von D, this one right here. And for mascara, I used this Superhero It Cosmetics mascara, this one right here. It's a sample size And I hate this thing. It smells really bad. Like, it smells like alcohol. It smells like acetone and Sharpie. So I don't know. I actually wore this yesterday, and when I took a shower, other mascaras don't burn my eyes, but this one burned so freaking bad, and now my eyes feel irritated. But I don't like wasting, so I'm just going to use it again, and I'm just going to take it off before I shower. Does anyone else have this problem? Do you guys like this mascara? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I actually really like it. It's super pretty and really green. I really love this green on the outer corner. It's super pretty. And the shimmers are really pigmented, and I love them so much. And I love the mixture of that lime green shade and the shimmer. It made like a brighter green, like a, I don't know. I just like it a lot. What do you guys think? I feel like this look would be perfect for like St. Patrick's Day or something. I don't know, but I really like it. So this is the first time that I use this Avocado eyeshadow palette, and I really like it. It does have fallout, but it doesn't really bother me. So I can't wait to play more with it to see what other look I could create. Or maybe I'll do another palette bingo. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see another palette bingo with this eyeshadow palette. And also let me know if you guys have this eyeshadow palette. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments below. I would like to know. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.